Welcome to Across the Globe. Today, we will learn about Go testing frameworks. Software testing is crucial in software development to verify that the code works correctly. In Go programming language, developers can leverage various testing frameworks for effective testing. A common practice in Go testing involves creating files with the test.go suffix and utilizing the testing package. For instance, a developer working on a web application in Go can write tests to confirm that the login functionality correctly authenticates users or that the API endpoints respond as expected. This approach helps in ensuring the reliability and functionality of the software being developed. In Go, the testing package offers essential functions to facilitate testing procedures. Specifically, functions like functextx testing.t are used to author test cases. For instance, consider a function add that computes the sum of two integers. To ensure the correctness of this function, a test named test_add is created utilizing the testing package. Inside this test, the add function is called with parameters 2 and 3, and the output is assessed. If the result does not match the expected value of 5, the test will report an error using terrorf. In this way, integrating testing functions from the testing package in Go enables developers to systematically assess the functionality of their code, fostering software reliability and robustness. When working with HTTP requests in your code, you can utilize testing frameworks such as net/http/test to streamline the testing process. By employing functions like newRequest and newRecorder from this package, you can simulate HTTP interactions for testing purposes. A practical example of this in action would be creating a test function like testServeHTTP to verify the expected behavior of an HTTP server handler. Within this test function, you can use httptest.newRequest to generate a mock HTTP request, httptest.newRecorder to create an HTTP response recorder, and then proceed to invoke the handler under test by calling its serveHTTP method with the mock request and response objects. Subsequently, you can assert the response's status code obtained from the recorder and evaluate it against the anticipated HTTP status code. If the actual status code differs from the expected one, you can trigger an error message to signify the discrepancy and assist in debugging the code. Such testing practices with frameworks like net/httptest aid in verifying the correctness and reliability of HTTP-related functionalities in your codebase, ensuring that your HTTP handlers operate as intended under various scenarios. Table-driven tests provide a method to efficiently test various input-output combinations by utilizing a structured array of data. In this approach, you create a slice of structs containing input parameters and expected output values for the function under test. By iterating over these test cases, you can validate the function's behavior across each scenario. Any failures in matching the expected output with the actual result can be reported for further investigation. This methodology streamlines the testing process and enhances test coverage. For instance, consider a scenario where you're testing a function that calculates the total price based on quantity and unit price. By employing table-driven tests with different quantities and prices as inputs, along with the expected total price, you can systematically verify the correctness of the calculation logic. In essence, table-driven tests assist in writing concise, illustrative tests for a range of input values, expediting the testing process and promoting comprehensive test coverage in software development. Using a Go testing framework is like having a quality control team in a factory inspecting each product on the assembly line. Each test case is like a specific criteria that must be met for the product to pass inspection. Just like how the quality control team ensures that the product meets all the standards, the testing framework helps ensure that the code meets all the requirements. If any aspect of the product does not meet the criteria, the quality control team rejects it. Similarly, if any test case fails, the code is deemed as having issues that need to be fixed. By thoroughly testing the code with a framework, developers can catch any potential bugs or errors before the code is deployed. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The Go testing frameworks serve as the quality control team in ensuring the reliability and functionality of the code, just as a quality control team monitors the production line in a factory. Let's delve into the technical aspects of the Go testing frameworks. 1. Go testing framework setup. Before initiating the testing process, developers need to set up the necessary testing infrastructure. This involves importing the testing package provided by Go and creating test files with a test suffix to distinguish them from regular code files. 1. Test cases definition. The heart of the testing process lies in defining test cases. Each test case represents a specific scenario or condition that the code must meet. In our analogy, these test cases correlate with the inspection criteria established by the quality control team. 1. Code execution and verification. Developers create functions within the test files prefixed with test to verify the desired functionalities. These functions utilize the testing T parameter to report failures or errors discovered during the testing phase. 1. Assertion and error reporting. Within the test functions, developers utilize assertion functions provided by the testing package to verify if the actual output matches the expected output. In case of a mismatch, an error is reported using the testing.errorf method. 1. Test execution and reporting. To execute the tests, developers utilize the Go test command in the terminal. The testing framework runs all the defined test cases and reports the outcomes, providing insights into any failures or errors encountered during the testing process. By embracing the Go testing framework, developers can proactively identify and rectify bugs, ensuring the robustness and reliability of the codebase. Just as a quality control team plays a critical role in ensuring the high quality of manufactured products, Go testing frameworks reinforce the integrity and performance of software applications. Go testing frameworks are crucial in ensuring the reliability and correctness of software applications. One industrial example is at Google, where the popular Kubernetes project extensively uses the Go testing framework to validate the functionality of its codebase. By running tests using the framework, Kubernetes developers can detect issues early in the development cycle, ensuring the stability of the container orchestration platform. Another real-world application of Go testing frameworks is at Uber, where they utilize these frameworks to test their microservices architecture. By writing comprehensive test cases and utilizing Go testing tools, Uber engineers can validate the behavior of individual microservices, ensuring that they interact correctly and handle traffic efficiently in their large-scale system. Across the globe, Go testing frameworks play a critical role in improving software quality and reliability, enabling organizations to deliver robust and error-free applications to their users. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.